Hi everyone. Welcome. Let's chit chat. I don't have anything until end of the day. Hi Jonathan. How are you? I saw your Facebook live. Quite interesting, Your new Facebook live. Hi Susan. So Susan, you managed to get the answer right for the money management, Susan. By the way, just share one lobang with you all. Okay. I just did this just now. Hi George. Hey, I did this just now. Thinking of holiday, okay. I just bought the ticket to Brisbane just now. for for end of the year. Okay, hopefully end of the year, right? The whole COVID thing will end. Okay, but SQ not bad, right? SQ $400 US. Not bad, and you can go on the holidays. And then I think you can also defer. If you cannot make it, right, you can also defer. Hey, by the way, this website is quite good. If you all want to go, right, this secret flying website, so whenever they got deal, right, then they will post it up. Oh. Hey guys, any question, anything you want to ask me or anyway, this I think the website is quite good. Secret flying. After that, right, when you link, right, it goes to Skyscanner. You all know Skyscanner, right? Skyscanner is the website to uh where the tickets are. Okay. Now thinking of going holiday. Hello, hi Alan, hi Brand, hi Joe. Well, you're not working, because I got event at night, but right now it's like nothing to do. So kids also watching TV, then I also nothing to do. Okay lah, then just do Facebook Live. Hey, how are you all? Any majority are graduates, right? Okay. Anything you all discuss? Any stocks? We can go through stocks. We can look at market. We can go holiday. Doesn't matter. If not, then the Facebook Live will end very fast. If not, the Facebook Live will end very fast. Uh, swing trade, okay. Yesterday got quite a lot of stock under the in the zone, okay. Got quite a lot of stocks. There was a nice tech rebound yesterday. The day before, right, I posted, right, that the tech is weak, yes or no? Or then yesterday, immediately once open start to go down, and then keep going down, but end of the day it went back out again. Okay. Is But the day before, right, when I mentioned this, right, in the Facebook group, right, can see that the price action for tech is weak. Okay, so yeah. Hey, well, anyway, just do scan, nothing to do, right? Okay, if we talk about stock, then I do disclaimer. I talk about stock, right? That's whatever I share is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Okay, even though I'm not right licensed already, just want to make sure that we get this out of the way. Okay. Uh, Screener for Nasdaq, right? Let's do swing. See whether I can find some stocks. Okay. So after that, you rank by arrow. Zoom got set up. Microsoft, all this got set up lah. Okay, quite a lot got set up. Okay, let's say look at Zoom. Zoom is this one. Go back to the zone, oh. Okay, see? Oh, like previously was here. Oh, then back into the zone. Okay. Oh, so previously was here. Okay lah. But only thing is this thing, right, is not so strong. So preferably, right, this thing should go higher lah. Yes or not? Then come back down. But I think should have some maybe 1-2 days up again. Oh, maybe 1-2 days up again, back to this area again. Not the nicest chart, because we usually if it goes higher, you know, then it come down, then it's nicer. Yes or not? Because it's MA, right? You see the MA here, right? Compared to here, right? This slope is a bit flattened. Oh, so if the price were to go higher, right, then this MA will be a bit like that lah. Oh, but so okay lah, not very nice, but I think if you do a short-term trade, then can lah, that's a trade. Okay, I'm blocking huh? Oh, okay, sorry. I tell you one secret. The secret is I'm doing this because I'm trying out this new thing I'm playing with. So nice, right? This one like, oh, very like broadcasting studio like that. Okay lah. Where should I put myself? Okay, put myself here lah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, don't panic lah. Okay, let's go through one by one. Okay, tech stock. Okay, let's look at tech stock. So we have Microsoft. A lot of stocks is doing this thing. Okay, a lot of stocks you see the daily chart, right? A lot of stocks is doing this thing. All the while, right? All the stocks have higher high. Yes or not? You look at it here. We have this high, then we got higher high, or higher high. But recently, right? This CCI, right? Let's look at the CCI high here, or the CCI high here, CCI high here, high here. Oh, usually got higher high, yes or not? Oh, then the high here, but then recently the thing seems a bit more flattened than previously. Oh, correct. Okay, this one also back to the zone. This one a bit parabolic already, right? Yes or not? Oh, you can see the parabolic trend, right? Oh, parabolic trend is when it goes from here, then go to parabolic. Okay. Correct. Even parabolic trend. Okay. I think this one also possible may rebound. Okay, because go so fast, big drop, right? You know, may rebound also. Okay. Our trader GPS still no signal to sell. Okay. There was a break support here. I think the day before I mentioned to you all, right? Break support. Oh, it was here, break support. Okay. And then if you want, then wait for candlestick turn rate. Okay. I think candlestick turn rate still got some way to go. Okay. So maybe what happened is there will be this steep rebound, right? Then it will do this triangle. Okay. Likelihood it will do this triangle. I guess one, okay. Likelihood it will do this triangle, this thing. Like that. So it will do this and then this. Eventually it will go break down again. Okay. Okay, because right now this price action, right? This last price action is like, it's a bullish price action. And then you see the com, right, still quite high. Okay, com still quite high. So in fact, if we go to the weekly charts, right, it is like that. Oh, can you see? Oh, the weekly chart is like that. So it's still it's overbought, very overbought. You can see the CCI is so high. So after that, then it come down. Okay. Okay. Hey, give me some likes or love. Okay, Ken. Let me move through all the. So what is thief? Okay, thief. No need to talk lah. Okay. crypto trader. Hey, Chris, must be Chris is here. Talk about Bitcoin, right? We should talk about Bitcoin. Yes or no? Chris, come and join us talk about Bitcoin. Okay, we're gonna arrange a date. Talk about Bitcoin. Okay. Uh, Ultra Hood for daily swing. Thanks for your love and like. Anyway, I just do for fun only. I got no agenda at all. Okay. Ultra Hood. How to spell? Ultra. Is it like that? This one, Who is this? Who asked? Is it done? Let's see whether you got it right or not. This one don't have swing setup. The previous swing setup was here. Can you see the CCI low here? That was the previous one. Okay. But now it's very overbought, right? So it may come back down again. This one I think not so good. Okay. Okay, so important thing, guys, don't go and anyhow cut loss. Okay. I think I see your anyhow trade. I'm very worried. I already this week already done. This is my third. Okay, in the graduate group I done 2, right? I do 2 for you exclusively one. Okay, this is a public, right? But for in the graduate group, Monday I do. Yesterday I did, right? Okay, I asked you all to do position sizing, but still a lot of people anyhow buy overbuy and things like that. Okay, so don't over trade. Okay, yeah. Okay, don't over trade. Okay, but saying that, right? We also need to look at our list, our SMT list, right? So follow lah, no signal, don't anyhow sell, right? Oh, no signal, right? This one no signal also. This one no candlestick term blue. This one also don't have. It doesn't have, Okay, yeah, this one have, right? But that's not this who mentioned, right? Who who is mentioned just now? For one from Malaysia, okay. He mentioned, right, that this stock got candle turn rate, right? But doesn't mean that it will break. You must use the low. Okay, use the low as a trigger. Why? Because you go to MA, right? It's something like that. Oh, can you see? Something like that. So better to, if you want to sell below here, okay? Because it may be just a pullback and then rebound again. Okay? So I go through the rest. All these don't have sell signal, guys. Okay? Please don't anyhow go and sell. I'm very scared of you. Okay? This one, okay, this one my friend told me, this Pintoto, right? My good friend, right? Fund manager, told me that, don't know can say this or not. My friend told me that be more cautious, okay? Pintoto, okay? But anyway, we enter already, right? We enter around here. If you want to sell, you can sell, because they heard some rumors about this stock. Okay, they want to make the stock down. Okay, this Pintoto. Okay, so the rest don't have sell signal. Please don't go anyhow sell. Okay, this one also don't have. This one also don't have. Okay, our sell signal is candlestick turn rate. Yes or no? Okay, cannot. Okay, want to ask daily positions. Should we consider stop loss happen like DAL stop loss 40% of the trade? Okay, let's look at DAL. What is DAL? Delta Airline. Okay. DAL stop loss already. Hello. You enter where? Here, right? Stop loss already. Okay. Let's say example you enter here. Candle turn blue. Next day above the high. Cover already. Yes or no? Oh, stop loss already. Got it? Got stop loss or not? And then let's see your name. Okay. Cannot see your name. Okay. Anyway. Cook I never put inside here. Okay, later I'll put inside the list. Put inside my list. Add to my watch list. Actually, I need to get someone to do this. Frankly, I got no time to. Okay, so no sell signal also. Yes or no? Oh, don't anyhow, wow, panic, go anyhow sell. Cannot. Huh? Okay. I don't know how but okay, we say panic don't anyhow sell. I suspect those that panic one is over trade. I got see people nine. Okay, everybody learn somewhere, right? Everybody learn from somewhere. Okay, but I see some people they 9 position, 10 position, 20 position. We say 5 position only, right? Okay. Bitcoin. Okay. Well, interesting. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Actually, charting. Do you all know that Bitcoin can chart also? Can we just use our Kung Fu, okay? That means our 20 MA, 40 MA, and then we do our Bitcoin charting. Also can. It's the same thing. It's just that I never thought about this. But actually Bitcoin can also chart. I use this one. Okay. Okay. So understand the Bitcoin, right? Okay. So same thing lah. It's the same thing we cover in class. Yes or no? I think by now you all should know the setup already. Oh, you see, I have the trading setup done for you already. Oh, so this part, right? Your CCI low, and then you have a rebound, then you swing trade lah. If you want to swing trade, then come down here, CCI low, then you can swing trade lah. Actually, Bitcoin is good. I actually mentioned this right. In the thing. Okay, I'm gonna get Chris to do this together. Okay, because he's like the crypto specialist. Okay, I'm not lah. I'm maybe a chartist. Okay, chartist. I'm not specialist. Okay, I look at the chart. I see where it's going. Bitcoin actually not bad. Yes or no? Oh, you can see that the trend a bit change. Okay, let's talk about long term, right? Oh, long term still not there yet. Okay, but I think short term not bad. Okay. Okay, you see this chart compared to the Shanghai market. Okay, I mean this is like chit chat talking. You look at this, right? This okay, remember this look, this shape. Okay, go on parabolic, then go to this triangle. Okay, you look at this chart, and then you look at Shanghai market, right? I don't know if I got Shanghai index. Shanghai composite index. Okay, many years ago. It is something like this. Can you see the triangle? Quite the same, like here. Oh, so it is like that one. Okay, if you study charts, this is a parabolic move 07, 08. Then you go into this triangle. Do you follow what I'm saying? You go into this triangle. So this is like the first adopter, early adopter. Okay, early adopter, and then after that go into this chart. Then eventually, right? Then it go break out of a range, and then you go back up to the trend. Okay, so that is something like that. You look at Nasdaq also the same. Okay, Nasdaq 100 initial start, right? Anyway, charting, right, is always is history. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's history. We are just studying history. So when we study history, right, like Nasdaq or Shanghai market and Bitcoin is correlation. There's some relation on it. This one I don't have data. Let me use the Nasdaq 100 index. Okay, never mind. I use this one. Okay, so you see all these stocks, all these charts looks the same one. Okay, if you go and study, right, they look similar, not exactly the same. So when you go back to Nasdaq during the .com era, okay, it will have some kind of pattern. Okay, so you go to this parabolic stage. Okay, then you go to this triangle part. Okay, like this triangle part. Okay, you go to this triangle part, then you become very silent. Okay, then you go very silent. Okay, you become very silent. Silent means to say like the range become very small. It become very small like that. Okay, then eventually, right, eventually, this is the early adopters, the .com era, remember? Okay, in 2000 we have the .com era, just like Bitcoin, we have the first Bitcoin at the time, okay? Just like Shanghai when it first opened, wow, everybody like so excited, right? So this is the first time, because like, there's no value, okay? Just like the .com, the time something.com, then people can list the stock, okay? But no value one, okay? Same thing for Bitcoin. The time trade Bitcoin, people don't find the real life application yet, yes or no? Okay, so there's no value yet. But eventually, it will go into this adoption. Okay, people feel find the value, internet become useful. The internet become useful, then eventually you go to this very range, and then eventually it will it will go to this range, and eventually then you break out, and then once it go to this, right? Once it goes to this, right, then it become like mass adoption already. Then there's mass adoption into the. Then you can see, right, the context of that time. Okay. Then you see the adoption already. You follow what I'm saying? So this part is the first time, first move. Then go into this quiet phase, right? This quiet phase. Okay. Eventually, right, then it go into a real value. Okay. This is a long-term trend. Okay, like I mentioned in the Facebook group, right? Bitcoin is a long-term 20-year trend, 10-20 years trend. So must have patience. It may not be Bitcoin, okay? It may be index. It may be something. Right. Anyway, I'm not a crypto expert. I just charting only. Crypto, spell correctly. Yeah, and anyway, where was the post? I posted, right? You all saw, right, about the long-term trend. Okay, so yeah, okay, so Bitcoin may go through something like that also. Okay, Bitcoin may also go through something like that. That means it will have that initial phase, right, when everyone is so excited over this, right? Okay, then eventually it will this one, not this one. Eventually it will die down, and then after that, then you will go to the real value part. Okay, then go to the real value part. So initially no value. Okay, initially low value, and then the later part eventually you go into adoption part, right? So now it's this part. Okay, eventually, right, I think like you can buy low lah. Then eventually it may go into that part and you will break 20,000. Do you follow what I'm saying? But this is a long-term trend. Let's look at Nasdaq. From this high, right? How long it takes to go back to clear this high? This year 2000. So it took like 15 years, 16 years before it cleared that high. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you must be patient. Okay, maybe this time around will be shorter. Don't know. Okay, but that is called, I also don't know what's the word. That is called the technology innovation. Okay, like technology, because at first you have the internet, very exciting, but no value one. Then after that, go into a real, people start to create value out of it, then eventually go into new high. Okay, so same thing like that. Bitcoin also starting that time, you can't really do, correct me if I'm wrong, Chris or whoever, right? Initially you cannot really do transaction. You want to buy something using Bitcoin, you must wait like half an hour or 20 minutes for the transaction to be done. Cannot, credit card pump, 20 seconds done already. Yes or no? So that time still no value. But eventually you will come to the value, you'll come to that value stage, right? Once you come into the value stage, then I think will be good. Yes or no? Okay? Got it? Okay? I'm not a crypto expert. I'm maybe a little bit about charting. Okay? But think about it, it's like that one. Okay? It is like Shanghai market. Okay, eventually a lot of fluff, right? Okay, then eventually got value, then eventually go up. Okay, so then we talk about Nasdaq or .com, eventually got value. Then we talk about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, eventually got value. So there's two parts. Actually, there is a curve lah. I don't know what's the curve called. There's this curve thing. Okay, Okay, so let's go on. China market, turnaround stock. Should we buy turnaround stock? I won't. Okay, why want to risk the money? I mean, better don't. Okay, just look for. I don't know where to put my face now. Just look for good stocks to buy. Okay. Why? Because some of the stocks eventually may not be there anymore. Okay. Like, I don't know. Like, what's a stock that is like airline, or I don't know. Like, I don't know which crypto. Okay. Um, like Carnival, right? Carnival, what's the code? Carnival, right? Okay. Maybe Carnival will still be around. I don't know. Okay. But let's look at the long-term trend. Okay. Okay. My concern is like that. My concern is like that. My concern, right, is if you buy some of this stock, eventually it may not be there. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like, example, we look at Carnival. Okay, you say it's like, no, maybe it won't do, I don't know lah. But when this kind of move happen, right, chances are it will not be like V shape. Okay, it will not be V shape. Even if you want to go V shape, you must go like before it will go up. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, and this move can last for a while. It's not like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and go up. It's not like that. Okay, so usually this consolidation will last for a while. It means this zigzag will last for a while. Okay, and usually it's not V shape. Okay, so let's say example like that in 09, right? Also same thing, right? If from November go to March, then go to here, then go to here, then go to here. Eventually, you want to actually clear this price is somewhere in September. So from November to September next year, already how many months? Right, like 10 months already, yes or no? 10 months, almost a year, Okay, by then, then you use this one, Trader's GPS, 10 months later, then you buy. Do you buy and saying? Here, okay, here then you buy. Okay, so right now, I don't think it's like a buying opportunity yet. Okay, we don't have that move yet. So let's say the bottom was in April, or April plus 9-10 months. Next year. Do you follow what I'm saying? Or you wait for candlestick to turn blue eventually. So for candlestick to turn blue, right, this thing must go all the way and clear this, then it can turn blue, no? So it may not be like that, no? It may be like this, and like this, like this, and like this. Then eventually turn blue. Then all these are opportunity cost. Yes or no? Oh. Okay. Anyway, it's my view, right? I can say anything, right? One, right? But please don't use. Oh yeah, well, let's say this. That day, got someone just take the stock and go and anyhow buy. Use our stock pick and then just buy. No money management. Don't know how to exit. Then just tikam because find tips and buy. Hey guys, if you are watching this and find tips, please don't. It's very foolish. It's very not smart. Not wise. Because if you buy, you heng, you make money. That is good. But you can do one time. Okay, let's say example you do one. You catch one tip. You do 2 times, maybe catch one tip. Then the third time we exit already because we buy with wrong cut loss already. You still in the position, you don't know what to do. Wow, that's not trading. That's just gambling. Yes or not? You want to do properly, crowd. So don't like don't just think this is like tips time or not wise. Because eventually you still lose out. Okay, so what I want to do is invest in yourself. Okay, can we buy tech or Microsoft or this? Actually, if you know me, I'm a bit cautious. Right now, actually, I'm cautious. Okay, I may be wrong, right? But I'm a bit cautious. Okay. So, I have you all seen this before? oh, I don't know whether I can find for you or not. SGX fund flow, right? Fund flow. We don't have the US one, but US you can go to Growth Focus or something like that. You can see, right? But SGX fund flow, you can see the institutional, uh, institutional weekly flow. Okay, this website, right? Or then you see under the weekly flow, right? The SGX weekly flow. Let me go to this one. Institutional weekly flow. This one. Okay, this one quite straightforward. Then go and look through all this since the crash. Okay, go and look through since the crash. You always see that institution selling in retail buying, institution selling retail buying, institution selling retail buying. Do you follow what I'm saying? So this I don't like lah. You know, retail institution not stupid, right? Correct. Okay, and who are buying? The retail, the men on the streets buying. Correct. So I don't like that move lah. And then if you look at the index, right? If you look at the index, which is, let's say here, volume, this one is a bit subjective, right? Because we don't have that volume here. Okay. Which one got volume? Let's say look at SPY. Okay. SPY can be a proxy, a proxy to the volume. Okay. So you can see, right? Let me just remove everything so that you can see. And just put in the indicator of volume. Last 2 days, maybe a little bit more volume, but volume has been dropping. Volume has been dropping. So it's not healthy when the price go up and volume drop. Do you all follow what I'm saying? It's not healthy when the price go up and the volume drop. Can you see that this price goes up? And this volume generally is dropping, yes or no? That means not convincing. And then you see the market. The market now move up, like from here, it moved up how many percent? It moved up 35%. But it's not broad-based. It's not broad-based like everybody move up at the same time. It's not broad-based. That means there are some that are very weak, some that are very strong. But if you really go and see the S&P 500, right? I think like more than 20%, right, is tagged like the 5 stocks. So it's really like more like it's driven by these 5 stocks. And these 5 stocks got this thing called the indexing effect. That means people want to buy the ETF, right? Buy the ETF already, then people want to the ETF, right, need to allocate the money, yes or no? Let's say they buy the ETF, they allocate the money. The money goes to where? Go to this stock lah. Go and buy this stock. So there is like this spiral. Okay, there's this spiral. And then when people buy the stock, right, the stock go up, then more people put into the ETF. Then the fund must put the stock, the money into the stock again. Do you follow what I'm saying? But this is like a positive spiral lah. But what happens when there's a negative spiral, we don't know lah. You follow what I'm saying? You understand the index concept? Okay, so they put in ETF must allocate, must put, right? So it may have this indexing thing may be in effect. Okay. Any other question? Where to find cash flow investor retailer? I think the Guru Focus maybe will have. Okay. Guru Focus will have. So okay, maybe I just share with you what I'm doing. Okay. Personally, what am I doing? Okay. Number one, I think the challenging thing is interest rate. Okay. Because everyone it is printing money, yes or no? Okay, and the challenge is they print money and you put money in the bank, right? It's not a good maybe it's not a good idea lah, yes or no? It's not a good idea. Initially, maybe because of this COVID virus, everything will be down. You know, like recently we had the negative inflation, but eventually, if they print long enough, they open the tap long enough, eventually inflation happens. So I personally think that put cash is for people who don't know what to do. Do you follow what I'm saying? That is the challenge. Okay, so you really need to first understand that every central bank, right, it is raised to zero or raised to minus. Okay, so you just don't buy assets. You must buy assets. You cannot don't buy assets, because you don't buy assets, eventually you lose out. Then the second challenge is, then what kind of assets? Uh, REITs or property or stocks. Then stock, what kind of stocks? Your stocks, you must buy the really, really got earnings one, because nowadays also got this stocks called zombie company. You heard before? Zombie company. Oh, zombie company. Because these companies, what they do, because money is so cheap, right? Money is so cheap, so they can leverage up, and then from there they do share buyback. I read somewhere that close to 80%, right, of the earnings, right, they make over the last since 09, right, the money that they make is not to grow their company. It's not to go into R&D. It's not to grow their company. The money they make, what did they do? Okay, the earnings they have, all the airlines, we're talking about airlines, right? Airlines since 09, right? After 09, they make a lot of money, But after they make a lot of money, right, what they do with the airlines? What did the people do? They go and do share buyback. Okay, they go do share buyback. So when they do share buyback, right, what happened is, the shareholder benefit, yes or no? The shareholder benefit, because increase in the earning per share, because less share, right? Crowd. But it doesn't really add value back to the company. Okay, it doesn't really help the company to keep more cash in the company, help the company innovate and things like that. It's basically taking cheap money or taking earnings and then giving back to the shareholders. Oh, so that is the challenging thing. So we have the first one, people printing money. Second one is we need to invest somewhere. Okay, something got dividend, got income. And thirdly is the weakening economy. The weakening economy. So the weakening economy is now. So must be very, very selective, like what are the stock to buy. Okay. And the challenge also is because of this, right? Then they will create like mini bubbles also. Okay, it may create like mini bubbles in the market also. Okay. So this is the challenge. Okay. Oh yeah, I want to share with you all some statistics of a bear market. You want to see statistics of bear market? Okay. So far, okay. Am I give like give me likes, okay? Okay, give me likes, okay. So you follow what I'm saying, okay? So we talk about that. Okay, let's analyze the last many crises. Okay, you all know what are the last few crises? Thank you. Thanks. Okay, what are the last few crises? Okay, who can tell me the last 4 crises? In fact, recently they came out the thanks. Okay, the last 2 days or 3 days ago, right? They actually talk about we are going to go into the worst recession since independence. Yes or no? The Ministry of Trade Industry. They say we are going into we haven't in yet. We are going into last many recession. Okay, so you all know what is the last few recession not? Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, so since 90, we start from the behind. We have Asia financial crisis. Who was around in Asia financial crisis? Some of you all. Okay, wow. So CNBC people use money, the stimulus money to go and buy shares. Win already. People take the money, the payout, right? Go and buy shares. Win. Okay. So we have Asia financial crisis. Then we have actually inside there is the some little crisis. Okay. But we talk about the big one. But inside there are like the September 11. We have the SARS. Then we have then after SARS we have global financial crisis. Then after that we have global financial crisis. Then now okay, four crises. Yes or no? Okay, and then right now they are saying, right, that since independence, this is going to be the worst recession. So that one we are talking about is more of the economy. Okay, so we must understand economy and economy, right, and stock market is different. Okay, when they talk about it's recession and things like that, it's the economy, not the stock market. But there are some correlation. Okay, so let's study the last four, because I only got chart of the four. Okay, of the last four crises. Okay, uh, Asia financial crisis. Okay, you can do both. You can do both STI or you can do both STI or the you can do both STI or S&P. Okay, we can do both. Okay, let's do STI first. Okay, STI in 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 sorry, in the Asia financial crisis, right, actually affected Singapore a lot. Do you all know? I think, in fact, I think in terms of the drop in the assets, I think it's even more than the SARS or global financial crisis. Okay, SARS I don't know, but Asia financial crisis, right, was we were very affected. Okay, so you see, from the high, right, of the Asia financial crisis, this is the Asia financial crisis. It dropped from top to bottom, right? It dropped 66%. Okay, think about it, Asia financial crisis dropped 66%. Okay, now we talk about S&P. Should I talk? Never mind. We talk about one first. Okay, talk about STI first. Okay, dropped 66%. And how long did this whole thing last? This Asia financial crisis, how long it lasts? From here, right, in 96 February. Okay, you're right now, 96 February until 98 September. 2 years plus. Do you all follow what I'm saying? This whole thing lasted 2 years plus. Do you follow what I'm saying? So must have some context. When you say about recession, when you talk about crisis, must have context. If not, then you all become like too looking at the tree, then think that tree is the forest. Yes or no? Oh, this Asia financial crisis. Then we have this is the September 11 and the September 11 here, and then the SARS in 03. This is September 11 and then the SARS. So from top to bottom, it dropped from top to bottom. It dropped 50%, around 49%. Okay, so first one is 66%. Second one is about 49%. Yes or no? To give you some context. Okay, give you some context. Okay. Then next one is the global financial crisis. So the global financial crisis. Oh yeah, and this how long? This how long it take? It took like from here, right? Somewhere in December until all the way in December 99 until 03. 3 years there. 3 years plus. Do you follow what I'm saying? 3 years plus. Of course, in the middle we got the September 11. Yes or no? So we went September 11, we went back up again, then we came down again. But this top to bottom took 3 years. Oh, and then the next one, right? From October until October 07, right? Until 09. 2 years 2 years plus. Yes or not? 2 years. About 2 years. Oh, so these are example of crisis. So we ask ourselves, let's say example, Asia financial crisis, we have the SARS, we have the September 11, we have global financial crisis. All this, the magnitude of drop in number of years. Okay, and then where are we now? Let's say example, we have this COVID virus, the COVID virus crisis. Oh, COVID virus crisis. Okay, the COVID virus crisis started when? Somewhere in February, or somewhere in February here. Okay, this is the somewhere in February here. Okay, so right now, right, if we are in February here, okay, let's say example, don't talk about February. Let's say our high is in here in May. Can? Fair enough. So from May 17 we start to drop. Okay, start to drop. So how many percent will drop? 28%. Do you follow what I'm saying? But May 2007, we don't have 2017, we did not have the COVID virus crisis. Yes or no? Later I share S&P is clearer. Okay? The actual COVID virus crisis started in February. Okay, so from February we drop about 23% only lah. Okay, and how many days since the COVID virus thing happened, right? Is I think let's say February until now is like 3个月啦, 3 months only. Okay, 3 months versus the last one was 2 years versus 3 years versus 3 years. Now, yeah, 3 months. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, so give you some context of cycle lah. Okay, got it? So far, okay? Any question? Okay, so in my view, right, I think we are not out of the woods. Okay, I think we are not out of the woods. It means it's not like after this move means, oh, okay already. Central bank will print out all the money in the world. It's not like that, okay? Because in the last few crises, or in at least in global financial crisis, right, the central bank keep printing money. Okay, keep printing money. Hey, by the way, can ask question. If you have a question, can feel free to ask. I will look at S&P right now. Okay, S&P right now. Okay, S&P. So I share with you this thing. Okay, if you all can study history, right? History is a very good way to make money lah. Because you study history, you learn about bubbles, you learn about depression, you learn about all this. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it's a very good way to learn. Okay, and we always have this saying, history repeat itself. Yes or no? Oh, history repeat itself. You just need to know where are we. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the crisis from this one, September, this Asia financial crisis to US, not so critical lah. Okay, 97, 90, the market continue to go up. Okay, this part really doesn't, we don't see the crisis. Yes or no? For S&P, right, the crisis really come in this part. Okay, here, which is the .com. After the .com, we have the September 11. Okay, with the September 11, and after September 11, then we have the SARS. Okay, this one is close to 50%, and the number of years is 2000 to 2002 December. So it's about 2003 already. Okay, let's write down 2000 to 2003. So about 2 years plus. Yes or no? 2 years plus. This crisis took about 2 years plus. Okay. Then the next one, global financial crisis. From here, it dropped about 57%, and it took about 2 years or so lah. Okay, from October until October 07 all the way to March 2009. Yes or no? Okay, and where are we now? Where are we now? Let's assume that the Ministry of Trade Industry is correct. And let's assume that IMF is correct. Let's assume that all these people are correct lah. And then we are going to the crisis. Okay, we go to negative growth and all these things, right? Let's assume they're correct lah. Okay, and the retail people buying right now is wrong. Okay, and we are in crisis. Then how many percent have we dropped since then? Okay, we have only dropped like I think 10%, 9%. And how many months have we dropped? Okay, we have dropped from here to here. We have dropped about maybe about February until now, 3 months. Yes or not? February about 3 months only. if IMF is correct, if the World Bank is correct, if Ministry of Trade Industry is correct, then and we are going to the worst crisis or the worst recession since uh, independence, right? 10% is not the thing we're looking at, yes or no? Okay. By the way, oh yeah, I want to share with you all this thing. In a market crash, right? Does it always crash, boom, all the way down? It's not that. Okay, you'll be surprised. During the crash, right? There will be times, right, when the market go up one. Okay, so like example here, right? Okay, Asia financial crisis, right, started here. Oh, it's not a straight line. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's not a straight line. Okay, so from here, this is the high, and then it recover about 50%. This is the top, right? It recover about 50%. Okay, here also about 50%. You see from here, this is the high. It recover about 50%. Okay. Okay, here went up about 50% also. So from here, go down already, go up about 50%. Okay. Then from here, okay, about how many percent? Close to 30-40%. Yes or no? From here, go back about maybe 30%. Oh, so market do recover one. So you see from here, right? How many percent it rises? Almost 20% or slightly higher. 16%. Okay, this was a rally, 16%. Okay, this rally was and the best part is Singapore even more. Okay, this is about 20%. Okay, and this one it rally about, it's not a lot, about 10%. Okay, so in the bear market, right, stock market do rally, especially the first part, especially in the early part. Okay, because the early part, right, you notice that the rally in the first part of the early part of the crisis, the market rally more. Okay, like this one is rally more, and after that when it start to trend, it keep trending. Okay, so same thing here, starting at high it rally more, and then after that you have this cliff. Okay, then same thing again when you talk about here, right? Talk about here, right? Okay, you have this drop, and then after that it almost like drop off a cliff like that. Can you see? Almost like drop off a cliff like that. So you have this triangle thing, right? Then eventually it will look like it drop off a cliff like that. Oh, so from here, right, go down, right, it can rally 20% and eventually it drop off the cliff. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so that is what I'm saying lah. Okay, I don't know lah. At the end of the day, we have our portfolio of stocks, right? Which is our portfolio, right? Where's our portfolio? This is our portfolio, right? We just follow lah. Can make money or not? You see lah. Oh, okay. What happened if we buy into Alibaba and delisted? I think should be okay lah. It will not tell you immediately it is delisted one lah. Oh, it will not immediately delist lah. So it may Alibaba will delist and then it may release somewhere else or something like that. So I don't think will be issue. I'm not very sure. Okay, I'm not very sure. Okay. Do you think this is a bull run in a bear market? Yes. So I mentioned this already, right? Do you think it's a bull run in the bear market and there's more downside to come? In my view, it's yes. But when we trade, right, we still trade. These are our position. Do you follow what I'm saying? We still trade one. Yes or no? So my point is don't predict lah. Okay. But my point is also okay. So coming back again, right? Coming back again. So what am I doing, right? Is I still need to look at assets to buy. You cannot just say, oh, market is crashing and everything is doom and gloom. Cannot like that. Correct. You still must buy. You still must buy assets. Cannot. You cannot say, oh, put all money in bank and just pray for the best. Cannot. Got it? You still need to invest and trade wisely. Yes. Okay. Some company may not be around. Okay. The fact is, I don't know. Like some company may not be around. Let's think about it. If let's say after this thing, right, what company will not be around? I don't know. Airlines, I feel, right, Warren Buffett did the right thing. I think airline is going to be very, very challenging. Not now, but going forward still. Okay? Because they really didn't prepare. Okay? They were like not doing the thing. I think maybe he's a trader. He will sell high, right? Then later, then buy low again. Later do bail out again. Okay? I think he know more things than we know. Okay? Think about it. Warren Buffett access to information compared to the guy who took the payout one, the check from the government, and then now go and buy the stock market. Which one is smarter? I think Warren Buffett smarter. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay, so and the fact he go and sell. Oh, by the way, you can check all this right on Guru. You can go Guru Focus or you can go Data Roma. You can see what are their trades. This one I want to confirm. So, all insider buying, sale, insider. Okay. Then you can look at the trades. Okay, you can look at the trades. You can also go to. Next website is this is Guru Focus. Okay, Guru Focus. Hey, you all learn something? Give me thumbs up lah. Boost my ego a bit. Anyway, I do this for fun, right? I don't need to do this, right? Anyway, I do already every Monday already webinar already, right? Friday, sometimes I do public webinar already, right? So frankly, I just do this for fun. Because I like to do. Okay? And then we got a new set. New what? How to do this? New here. They got a new thing, right? That's why I'm doing this thing. Okay. Anyway. Okay. See? Now very fun. Okay. Okay, so you can go Grow Focus. You can also go to the other one is Data Roma. Okay, you can also do Data Roma. Data Roma is not so money lah. Okay, Grow Focus got some things to pay. But Data Roma, you can see what are their trades. Okay, recently this cow icon, right? Where is cow icon? Okay, so super investor. Okay, you can look at their what's their top 10 shareholding. Okay, like Bill Gates, what he buy? Bill Gates buy Warren Buffett stock. Okay, and all my friends are here. Warren Buffett, what he buy? Apple. Well, Apple is 35% of his portfolio. Quite a lot, right? Then he got Bank of America, Coca-Cola, American Express. Okay, Wells Fargo. This one, jalan. Okay, no good. Some of his stock not so good. Okay, some of his stock not so good. Okay, but that's him lah. Okay, this is cow icon one, right? Crowd. I think he owns the. You can zoom in and can see what he own. Okay, what he own. What he bought. He bought this one. Jalan. Okay. He bought this company that went bankrupt. But sometimes they do bankrupt is for a reason, right? Okay. Sometimes they buy they declare bankrupt is for a reason, right? Carl Icahn, he went to buy. See? So one time they buy the company declare bankrupt for a reason. Because they don't want to pay. They don't go into receivership, right? They go into liquidation, right? Then don't need to pay, right? Then after they restart again. Okay. Very bad. Okay. But this guy, right, he went to buy, right? He averaged down. teach you don't average down, he still got average down. Okay, so but I think he maybe he knows something that we don't know. So he bought something in, I think he started in 1.5. You know this stock, right? This stock, right? That recently went bankrupt one? Hertz, right? Is it Hertz? Oh. So he started in 1.5, he bought 10%, $14, then he buy some more here, $22 he bought, okay? And then $16 he, oh, sorry. Thanks, Go to, you all never tell me, okay? Okay, y'all see? Hertz. This is the stock, right? Recently got bankrupt, right? Oh, so just cannot see my screen. Can see already, right? The car rental one. Thanks for your like. Actually, like is to boost ego only lah. I got nothing to do. Okay, so can you see? This is the Hertz, right? Recently, became bankrupt. He averaged down. Okay, he bought at $14, then he bought at $22, $28, and then right now, right, it is how much? Six. Recently he bought what price? Recently it's $6.99. Well, $6.99 he bought more. Okay, he bought like 12th of March, right? He bought like here. Okay. Right now, what's the price? $6 lah. Right now reported his average price is around $6. Let's see what's the price right now. How to spell H? These are all delayed. Okay, not HZ, HTZ. All delayed. Now it's what? Now it's 1 plus. I think he will average down again. You guess? Yes? I think he'll average down again. Okay? But not a good idea, guys. Okay? If you use our traders GPS, HTZ, right? Trader GPS will tell you what? Short. Okay? They tell you short. Okay? Yes or no? Oh, hey, here a lot. Even you short this arrow. This arrow. From here to here, guys, 80%. From here, let's say you buy back right now. It is 1,006%. No. Oh, it's sold off already. Cut loss. Bankrupt still can buy. Yeah. Bankrupt still can buy. Yeah. Usually, like some of the companies, right, they go through bankrupt and then after bankrupt they redo again. But what they do is when they bankrupt, right, they don't need to pay certain money. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, you sold already, Okay, too bad lah. Then he jialat, right? Then he lost a lot of money, right? Significant loss days after it. Wow, I think he really cut loss at the worst time. That's why I must use Trader GPS. If he sees Trader GPS, right, he already bearish already. Oh, in fact, he should hedge his position at least only to suffer such a big drop. Yes or no? Which shows, right, that no need to use what? No need to look at news one. I don't even know this. Correct? But downtrend, right? Okay? Wow. Wow, his average price sold is 72 cents. Cry. I tell you, after you sell, right, later we recover again. Later. It's like that one. Okay. So wait for buy signal again. Oh, this one quite jialat, right? All the while is down one. If you're investor, right, then you look at this. Wow. Then quite jialat. It's like, okay. Maybe like after Asia financial crisis like that, right? You go to weekly charts, or after Asia financial crisis, then look for buy signal. Okay, BABA trend. BABA. Actually, I got meeting at now. Okay, shucks. They're supposed to meet me now. Okay, I got to end this soon already. Okay, BABA is sideways trend. Not going anywhere. Depending on your time frame. Okay, depending on your time frame. Okay, I think BABA is stuck in the range. Okay, so between this range and this range. Luckin Coffee. Okay, share with you all is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Okay, well, this one also make a lot of money. If you short and you cover right now still trading, right? Let's say you short here at this arrow when it's down, right? And you cover right now today, your returns is it is like, but you're gonna suffer holding, okay? 1,200%. Okay, but I won't do this lah. But I just share with you that you will know that it's coming down beforehand, yes or no? Okay, guys, I almost need to go already because they actually have a meeting at 4:30. Is it? 4:30, yeah, 4:30. Okay. So got 10 more minutes. For me, I do different things. I have a team that trade the account, my money. I also put some into algo, which is not very, which is for me right now is challenge because it's a cost to me right now because we hire recently I hire one guy is BP one of the trading head or something like that. So we pay him a lot of salary. Okay, then to trade. But so far it's not a plus for me so far. Okay. I don't do myself right now at this point. I don't do because I rather do Facebook Live and manage this position. Y'all do and manage, okay? I think my I may do strategic one but I think for the actual click button I don't want to do okay. But I invest in people who do okay. Like we got one guy who is I told you right, we got one masters in mathematics from Cambridge one. He's a government scholar. We have one guy there. Recently we hire one guy is from BP, one of the forex trading head. Well, his salary is good good business for him okay. Then but also don't know whether got ROI or not. So then we got Derek and we got two other traders. Okay. Then on the side, Derek and this guy, right? Okay, he is also doing research on algo. Algo for me, right, is like 摇钱树. So for me, I want to make in such a way that you see, there's two ways to look at trading. You can look at trading as a job, which is fine. You stare at the screen and you trade, right? But that is exchanging time for money still. So the highest leverage, right, is really you design something, right, that trade like the machine, a machine that trade like a human. So, but to create that robot, it's not easy, yes or no? Okay. I've been doing the 10 years. So far, I think the ROI is still you need to invest first, because go do R&D, you got to invest. But I hope eventually I can find something lah. Oh, but for my other part, it's okay lah. But this is what my interest is. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should do a traders GPS fund. Why I very 懒惰 to trade. Okay, in fact, recently, this morning only, I talked to a guy. He managed a fund about 400 million. So he said, Colin, you should go and set out your own fund. Then I said, don't want. I rather manage my own money. Set up fund still must answer to people. Then he looks, hey, Colin, my 10,000 now become 8,500. How? Why cry, man? Okay. Okay, I say this humbly, okay, not proud, but I just say that like I don't want to manage money. It's very that is a burden when I manage money. Okay. Ken, let's call it hey, thanks for all the like. Wow, got 300 like. Yay. Okay. I think my life work is I guess I also don't know. You will only know your legacy or your end result when you die. Do you follow what I'm saying? Only when you die, then you know, oh, what is my legacy? Like when Mother Teresa, when she go to India, she never think that, oh, end of her life, she will attain sainthood or whatever. She wouldn't think like that one. She will think that, oh, right now got a need, I go and do this thing. Got this need, I go and do this thing. I got need this need, I go and do this thing. That is how she do that. She don't plan until end of her life. Oh, eventually I'll do this. I don't think so. It's like that. So when she went to India, right, I think she just have, see what's the need, then just do what. Do you follow what I'm saying? So we won't know our purpose until end of our life. But I guess my purpose is is to do this. I guess so. Because number one, I enjoy doing this. So for me like that, it's not work. It's like I get kicked out of it. Like today got nothing to do. I can just go and watch Netflix, But I rather do this. Okay. Because I also don't know. Okay. I just enjoy doing it. And it gives me energy also. So when I do this already, it gives me it feels it give me a sense of contribution. I think that's very important. So I think who shared this? I think it's Patrick Lee who shared this. You must have this contribution need also. So that beside the physical need, the social need, got one more need is contribution need. Okay. Yeah. So that guy, right, the Renaissance tech, that one is my idol What he is beyond Okay. For me, I don't think I want to take money. Maybe I want to manage my own money, and then eventually I don't want to start a fund because I think it's very hassle, got a lot of compliance and things like that. I rather just do my own and do my own easier. Correct. Then you all do because every week I do webinar, right, guys? Every week I do webinar, right? You all follow and do a portfolio from here, yes or no? Then no overtrade, guys. Oh, I sometimes see, this week, this is my third webinar. This is a public one. I did 2 in the private one. I read Monday. I think Monday morning, is it? I did the webinar. I already talked about sizing, how to do sizing and stuff like that already. Yes or no? Okay? So last thing, don't look for tips. Okay? Learn how to invest in yourself. Okay? I think that is what you should do. Make sense or not? Okay? Welcome. Okay? It's always a pleasure. Okay? In fact, you all give me the 推动力 to do things. Can? The key is really about it's like cycling like that. So you need to, you don't get it, eventually you get it. So that is the 推动力. Oh, I just realized I'm using the wrong camera. Okay, never mind. Anyway, ending soon, right? I just realized I'm using the wrong camera. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I hope focus on trading right. Don't focus on making money. Focus on doing the right thing. Don't focus on my P&L. P&L is just a score. Think about it. When you make money, doesn't mean you're going to, okay, you make money or draw money out of draw money out of the trading account and go to spend, right? I don't think you'll do that, correct? So then that number in the trading account is just a score. Like what's the score right now? That's all. So if you treat it like a score, you tend to do better. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, so it's like a score. Then don't overdo it. Then over trade. So when you don't over trade, you're doing the right thing. When you focus on money, I'll make a lot of money, then you're focusing on the wrong thing. Okay, Ken, thanks guys. Appreciate y'all. Okay, share this post, and build this thing together. Ken, thank you. Give me a like, and then I gotta go off already because my team, they keep that day, I'm like their slave. They keep asking to do things. Okay, thanks guys. Okay, thanks a lot. See you. Bye. Let's do this some other day. Okay, bye bye.